Hey, Smiley Marley here from the Motoroamers. I don't know what everyone else is doing today, but, well, I know what you lot in Spain are doing with your flipping suntan lotion. Looking out onto the azure blue seas, drinking your pina coladas and your nice cold beers. But we here at the Motoroamers are spending all day in some big yellow country storage place in some undisclosed part of town, trying to find all our electronics so that we can sell them. So here we are, just going to turn you around now. This money penny. Open the lockup. No idea how we left it. When you're ready, and there is our life. And oh my God.
You might be here a little while.
I think we might be here some time. See you later. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? It's down there. Is it down there? Down there. Well, we're about 2 hours in now, and we've got to the back wall there. We've got the big plasma screen, and we've got the two Apple Macs. We're just looking for a box of DVDs that didn't record properly when we first left. And do you know where they're going to be? Right in the back left-hand corner. I just know it. Where's the camera? I don't even know where my camera is. Anyway, yeah, we'll keep going. See you later. Could we find the DVDs? No. Bloody hell. Looks as if we haven't touched the damn thing. I hate lockups. Ring, 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 ring.